Diamo makawuono.
An kaka Jesu Okello, mjumbe weni en so my 3 points agenda are based on education, security, infrastructure. On education, tamora inya kaka wuono wan anda Tomboya auditorium. There because of he was a visionary. As much as no touch on, when and kaka Jesu Okello, before even Koyera, me and I do it a day. I'm going to ensure I'll lobby. Apo the Kateri president, I'm going to chonga pay. We must have a university in Kasipul. Okadwani next time, Maya Kasipul, labire Tomboya auditorium, on the Wogi, Jopi. Adwani gigibe Okello ne jo dala. Kaka devolution bubire the counties. All of that is part of my agenda. Secondly, in education, I'm also planning to sponsor a bill. Education. As much as what you need cannot necessarily be free, we can bypass primary, secondary, the college. Let us just educate the masses. Koro bednia, iyero ni dwa dhi meduri, kati donga piny kucho. Another thing on education, I'm planning to sponsor in all public schools, especially Joma Donjo Matindo ECDs, early childhood education, in public schools, Joma vulnerable. Asetemo research, angeni in Kasipul, we cannot have more than the Alofangwen Matindo Madonji school. Corona go budget. Every child, Kanyalore, Kelna Katanya school do, Kademi uniform, nikech nasego kwan. It is something, an analysis manasetim. Ongeti endenya tiyo bedala, ni the mother cannot afford a uniform. There are some things mune gubednia, what timu as leaders. Okay.
My timu gi pesa ni marufuku koso allocation mara NGCDF.
Okay, as Jesu Okello, amba nagijoga moko, manya sera, to I'm also a researcher. Kangisi ni nyathia nyarua kunikel nago bila gimora mora. I know what I'm saying. Uparo ara ila wacho ni idhi miwa 6,000 every month. No ngeku modhi yode pesa. Amba ngeku madhi gole pesa. Koro kikuluo. My second point, insecurity. My second agenda. Kasipul ingeni negi matters of security. To gigite, you will realize ni gigi just falls back to literacy levels. In an stage there are things you cannot do. You realize ni you can move away from crime. You can be a hard worker. Idi somo girimoro. Ipunjuri a skill mar konyo jopiny. Security issues we can even create committees mag security agwe. They'll work wonders.
Kenani wangi paro moro mar nyumba kumi ni okoti Kasipul koso.
Okay, nyumba kumi totiyo emani akoro a crime cannot be prevented, but it can be
nyalo gang. Koso.
Okay, nya gang. Some things are just natural. Okay. You don't jaku beza moro nyolore jaku. Janiko nyolore janik. Koro, the best thing we can do, we counter it. This education, that should be our main agenda. Nikech okida wacho ni ijatelo, tidwa telo ne joma fu. Okay, jatelo ne joma riek, you're not a leader.
Sani chalo nade wach mar ng'eyo geria kod jo Kasipul. Kipip kikete ratil, chalo nade kaka jatendegi. Kaka jatim nono, ne wacho ni jatim nono.
Kasipul to joma riek, natural.
Okay.
Kata ka diteriek, onge ng'a wiye pek, adok wachung' MP. Mara dek is infrastructure. As an MP, we are in charge of education. And personally, and kaka Jesu Okello, one gear around 45 schools in Kasipul. So what I will do as an MP, infrastructure mar skunde 45 gi oromo employ jogedo. If you go to Nairobi, do you know in Nairobi schools chielo gi kidi? Have you realized that? Dak time dalaku. You don't need mjumbo kao Jomjengo your school kama to Nairobi chielo gi kidi. Why can't we bring that here? If we build 45 schools, more and just Okello adhi gero. Adhi chielo gi kidi. Makinge ni Jomjengo ikri nikech tenda ne. Odi dak mayom.
Erokamano.
Odi dak mayom kabisa.
Erokamano. Ebu tendi onge school mora mar public mabro bedo ko ngenge.
Onge.
Okay.
It is going to create employment and it is also going to create a safe environment for the children.
Okay.
Macha uchiel school gi singenge moko ni go juok. Makata ka ng'ato biro kawo nyathi. Nyathi kwala te okinya konyo.
Erokamano. Koro mago 3-point agenda mari. Erokamano, education, security, code